Yes, good evening, guys.
Good evening, sir.
Okay. So VIT is clear to you so far, what we have discussed?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So now we will discuss about your control mechanism. Okay. How the VIT is sensing and how action is happening. Okay. So let us first of all see the parts of it. So this is your fuel pump, right? Your plunger. The top one is your VIT rack. When VIT rack goes in, what will happen to my barrel? Barrel will
Barrel will move.
Lift up.
come down,
Move.
right? Technique of injection will be advanced, isn't it?
Yes.
sir.
And when barrel will come back, it will again go back up, isn't it? The barrel, the VIT rack when comes back from the position. Okay. Similarly, you have your fuel rack. Okay. Fuel rack is connected to regulating shaft, which is governed by the governor. Agreed? Bolo guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So as your engine starts and this regulating arm rotates, my linkage will start to move inside fuel linkage. This is
Yes,
fuel
Yes.
lever. This part is fuel lever. This is VIT lever. So if fuel lever is going inward, there will be changes in my VIT lever also because of the regulating shaft is moving. So changes will come to VIT lever also. Agreed?
yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So we'll see this diagram now. This is the bigger position of only this part. Okay, this part. It is upside down at this position. Okay. So you see now this is my regulating shaft. Okay. And this is my VIT lever. Your other lever will be connected down below, which is not drawn over here. Now, when the VIT lever, when the regulating shaft will move, VIT lever will also move. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
With this, VIT arm is connected. So it will also move. If lever is moving, this part is moving. So with this, VIT arm is connected. So it will also move. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right now, the top portion of my VIT arm is held by spring pressure.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this VIT arm position will be like this. Okay. Initially. So at this position, when this spring pressure is pulling my VIT arm, okay, towards this direction, it is resting on fulcrums. This is my top fulcrum. This is the bottom, or you can also say pivot points. Okay. Agreed. Now in this position, you see, I am getting a control air here of 5.5 bar. It is coming into this position sensor. This part is known as, if you see here in this diagram, this is position sensor. Okay. So this is my position sensor. Right now, the pin, it's completely decompressed. It is not compressed, isn't it? It is completely out of my position sensor. This is position sensor. Follow. The pin is completely out.
Yes, sir.
So at this position, what is my outlet pressure which is coming out?
0.5.
0.5 bars.
So at this pressure, this 0.5 bar will be going where? It will be going on the back face of your servo motor, of your servo cylinder. Okay. You see now, this is my VIT servo cylinder. Okay. Inside, I will be having a piston. So as my pressure will starts to increase, don't you think this piston will be pushed towards inward?
Yes, sir.
And when the piston will be pushed inward, what will happen to my VIT rack?
Pull the barrel down.
VAT rack will also go inside, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So I'll just show you. This one. So you can see over here, I have a piston. Agreed. So and you can see the lines also coming. These are the air lines which is coming over here. Okay, air lines coming. So when the pressure will increase, it will push this piston into this direction, and because of
Yes,
this
sir.
mechanism, it will push the rack inward. Is it clear? VIT rack.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so your engine has started. Okay, your load is started to increase. As your load increases, this VIT arm is going to go in this direction, and because when the VIT arm goes into this direction, it will compress this pin.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and this pin will be going inward into this position sensor. When this pin is going inward, more amount of air will be passed through. Is it clear? It will
Yes,
open the
sir.
chakra, and with respect to the pin position, more amount of air will be passed through, and this pressure will be keep on increasing. 0.6, 0.7, 1.2, 1.4, like this it will be keep on increasing with respect to the pin position. Okay, जितना अंदर जाएगा पिन उतना ही प्रेशर इंक्रीज होता जाएगा आउटलेट में. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, so at 40% when the load comes, the pressure is enough so that it will start to push my VIT rack inward. Is it clear? This pressure will be enough to push this piston inward. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I'll just erase all this part. Now you will be having a point when this pin will be completely pressed inside. That means what will be the position of my VIT arm? It will be touching both the fulcrums.
Yes.
This agreed. My VIT arm will become like this. It will touch both the fulcrums.
So,
So at this position, it will be giving highest pressure and it will be pushing the VIT rack completely inward. So when my VIT rack is inward, can I say this position will be my break point?
Yes, sir. 85%. Sir.
Okay. 85% it will be. Okay, I can change this 85% to 80 and all those things that I will explain you later on. Okay, so at this position of my VIT arm, my break point will be achieved. And what is happening after break point?
we
The
disengage.
VIT start to return.
Retard. Okay, we not disengaged, it will retard. Okay, so
Retire.
if I give more fuel oil, that means if I'm increasing more load, it will be pushed this way. Now what will happen? Will my VIT arm will change its pivot point and move like this?
Yes, sir.
And when it is moving outside, see the top portion is coming this way. What is happening to my pin position?
Coming
It's
back.
coming forward, sir.
It is coming back.
It's
Agreed?
coming out,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, when it is coming out, what will happen to my pressure?
It will
It
drop.
will be
It will drop.
Pressure will drop. What will happen to my rack? It will come back. Okay,
Back will come back.
I'll show you one more picture.
So this setting is only at the first unit, no? This one.
This complete arrangement that I'm telling you, that one,
Yes, 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 sir.
that will be common for all, but because it is connected to, hold on, I'll just show you it. This particular thing will be common. Okay, this is common for all units. Okay, but the pressure that it is going, I can distribute it for other units.
Yes, sir.
So it will do it for all at once only. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Now you see in this position, this is the low load point. That means when my load is less than 40% load, you can see what is the position of my pin outside of position sensor.
Yes, sir.
Agreed?
Yes,
So
sir.
at this point, the outlet pressure that will be going will not be sufficient enough to push the piston or servo piston of my VIT to push the VIT inside. It will not be enough. Okay. But during breakpoint, what is happening? But as my load increases, this will starts to move inside. It will starts to compress this position sensor pin, and simultaneously your pressure will be increasing. And when the pressure will be increasing, it will be pushing your VIT inward. Okay. VIT
Inward.
rack in, and beginning of injection will be advanced. And when this fulcrum, when this VIT arm will be touching both the fulcrums, top and bottom, at this position, my pin will be completely inside. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And it will be giving me maximum air pressure to push my VIT rack inside. My VIT beginning of injection will be maximum advanced, and your breakpoint will be achieved at 85% itself. After 85%, I want my timing to retard. Why I want timing to retard?
To avoid
That
overloading
it does
of
not
the
go into
engine.
the overloaded condition.
Good. So my engine should not go into overload condition.
Overloaded
Because my
condition.
fuel is going to increase, I have to counter it with something, and I'm countering acting it with retarding of my fuel timing. So now you see the pivot point has changed. Agreed?
Yes.
After I give more force here, so now the pivot, just imagine like a seesaw, right? Seesaw की तरह imagine करो. ठीक है? So if I give more load here, it will go up. Agreed?
Mhm.
So similarly, it will go out. What is the position of my pin now? It is coming outside again.
Coming
Agreed?
outside.
And when it is coming outside, your racks will also come outside. And when the racks will come outside, your barrel will again go up. Is it clear?
Sir, how the rack is coming outside when air is only going from behind the piston?
नहीं, एक्चुअली अरेंजमेंट रहता है. ठीक है, उस डिटेल में आई डोंट वांट टू टेक यू राइट नाउ.
Okay, sir.
होल्ड ऑन. आप यहाँ पे देखेंगे, एक तो यहाँ पे एयर का लाइन, एक पीछे भी रहेगा. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
सो दैट टाइम इट विल बी इंटरचेंज्ड. ठीक है, एयर आपका दूसरी फेस में देगा पिस्टन के, एंड द पिस्टन विल बी पुश्ड बैकवर्ड. क्लियर?
Okay, sir.
Mhm.
आई विल जस्ट शो यू इन द मैनुअल आल्सो वंस. You can see over here. Okay, this is all your VIT arrangement. Okay, this is the VIT arrangement. And can you see this one now? This is the position sensor. Agreed? This is the position sensor.
Yes, sir.
This is the
Yes, sir.
VIT. Okay? And this is the fulcrum points. Okay, top and bottom. Okay. Now, if I want to change the setting, I told you how VIT is different from your super VIT is. You can change the
Yes, sir.
settings in super VIT, right? Now, if
Yes.
I change these fulcrum points can be moved up or down. I can make this fulcrum point here also, or here.
Mhm.
I can make this beginning of VIT over here or here. Okay, the top fulcrum will affect your beginning of VIT when it is happening. The bottom fulcrum will dictate your
End
break
of
point.
breakpoint.
Okay,
Yes.
will depict your break point. Suppose if I will make this fulcrum down, okay, will I be needing more force to push the top side in this phase,
Yes, sir.
right? For example, just for example, I'll give you seesaw. अगर यहाँ पे मैं 60 डाल दूं तो ये बैलेंस रहेगा.
Yes, sir.
Now if I move this fulcrum, okay, I move this fulcrum on the extreme end. In order to move this in this position, I have to give much more weight over in this direction.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Agreed? Okay. Similarly, if I move it down, will I need more force? So regulating shaft will move further. Then this force will be created that it will push the VIT rack like this then. Agreed?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Similarly, I can move it up also. Okay. So उससे कम हो जाएगा मेरा ब्रेक पॉइंट. 85% से पहले हो जाएगा, 80 पे आ सकता है. Agreed?
Mhm.
Yes.
Okay. So this, by controlling these fulcrum points, okay, you can adjust the VIT settings. You can see here, if I zoom it up little bit, you can check. There is a, you can put a spanner over here, and you can, it is tightened at in this position. You can unscrew it and you can move it up and down. Okay, आपको channel दिख रहा है to move it up and down?
Yes,
हाँ.
sir.
Okay. So with this, you can adjust your breakpoint and your beginning of VIT also. Is it understood?
Yes, sir.
Now you don't need to understand वो कैसे किया जाता है. Just I'll give you a little bit idea of it. Okay. So normally it is not allowed for us to do it. It will be only done by your technicians. Okay. Also, it is written in the manual also to be done by technicians. Okay. Now, if how they do actually, what I'm telling you is they measure this distance. ठीक है, इस distance को measure करते हैं when there is no pressure acting on it, and at that position this will be my inlet of pressure 5.5 bar. They will measure how much is my outlet, and then they will push this pin inside with the hands. Okay, with your hand it will push inside, and they will check correspondingly कितना pressure मेरा rise हो रहा है. Okay, when you will move it this up and down, okay, they will check how much is my adjustment is happening with respect to that, because they have the detailed manuals for this, and with that they will come to know that kitna pin press karne pe how much pressure I'm getting, and that way they will adjust these settings. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, not required. Nobody will ask you this thing. Okay, but is this understood, VIT part?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
there is something comes that is any पहले पूछ लेता हूँ आगे बढ़ने से पहले. किसी को भी अभी डाउट है इस पे VIT पे तो पूछो. This is how the setting is done. इससे ज्यादा अभी I can go a little bit deep also, but I don't think so it is required. Okay, not even class 2. So is this understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now the next thing comes, that is fuel quality setting, FQS. सुना होगा ये चीज, FQS, fuel quality setting. The surveyor can ask you in many ways this question. Okay, he can ask you, suppose you have taken a bunker and you found your in your fuel oil analysis report that ignition lag is high. What is ignition lag? What is ignition lag?
So it is the time after
Difference between
ignition for
injection and
the
ignition, sir.
fuel
It is,
droplets to
it is a time
start, for
between
the combustion to start,
injection
between
and
injection and
ignition.
the combustion.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
That means this is my injector. Now I have injected this fuel oil. How much time it will take for this fuel oil to burn? ठीक है, कितना टाइम लगेगा इंजेक्शन के बाद से बर्निंग तक, वो टाइम डिफरेंस को इग्निशन लैग बोलते हैं. इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
इंजेक्शन,
तो
द
यही
टाइम,
होता है क्या इग्निशन डिले?
simple time difference between injection
And combustion.
and ignition.
Ignition.
Okay, ignition. Now if you see in your these diagrams, what is this diagram known as?
Indicator.
Draw card.
इंडिकेटर में कौन सा डायग्राम है ये? ड्रॉ कार्ड, राइट?
Draw card.
Okay, this is draw card. So this drop which is coming over here, this is ignition lag. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
सर
now
वो
if
इग्निशन डिले यही होता है क्या?
हाँ, ignition delay, ignition lag, same thing. ठीक है?
ओके सर.
So now if surveyor asks, he can ask you in multiple ways this question. Okay, he can directly ask you what is FQS setting. Okay, how can you do it, when to do it. Okay, this is what we can do it on board the ship. Okay, FQS setting. Then one is this. Okay, ignition lag, and he can tell you that fuel is very bad quality. Okay, so what you are going to do, so then you have to do the FQS setting. Okay, FQS setting can also be done in multiple ways. One is you can individually adjust the racks. Have you seen your second engineer adjusting racks?
There's a
Bolo?
fuel rack.
Fuel racks, right?
Fuel rack.
Okay, not just fuel rack. Fuel rack, you can adjust your VIT rack. Okay, up to, I'll show you from the manual itself. This is VIT. How much it is written?
In the
one
one
index
index mark,
2 to,
3
आपको
marks.
कितना करना है इसको, 2 to 3 बार नहीं, 2 to 3 नॉच. ओके, नॉच मीन्स आपके रैक्स में मार्किंग्स रहती हैं.
yes sir.
Okay,
हाँ.
so up to 3 notches you are allowed to adjust it. Okay, not more than that. Okay, up to 3 notches you are allowed to adjust it, and when you are adjusting it, what is actually happening? Advance होता है. If you are putting stop condition में, you are putting this VAT rack little bit inside 2-3 notches तक, that means you are advancing the timing.
Retarding or advancing
हाँ.
sir, अटक
Advance
रहा
कर रहे हो ना. Agreed.
सर
जैसे मैं
आवाज
बता
अटका
रहा
था, आवाज थोड़ा सा बीच में गया.
हूं. ओके, अभी ठीक है.
yes sir.
हाँ.
ओके, मैं क्या
फिर आप
बोल
नहीं
रहा
बोल रहे हो जो तीन साफ जनरेटर पे करते हैं, जब कभी कभी 1 यूनिट का टेम्परेचर
that
कम
is
रहता है.
that is that is fuel rack, no? ठीक है. I'm
फ्यूल
not
रैक,
One
talking.
यस.
performance
I'm not.
generator.
I'm not talking about right now of fuel rack, right? ठीक है. I'm talking about your VAT racks. ठीक है. So if you push your VAT rack in stop condition, 3 marks in, 3 notches in, that means initial तो value आपने change कर दी. Agreed?
yes sir.
Slightly
हाँ
your
सर.
barrel has come down slightly.
यस
So
सर.
beginning of injection has advanced, no? From
एडवांस.
before.
yes sir.
Okay.
यस सर.
So if your ignition lag is more, that means fuel will take more time to burn. Agreed?
yes sir.
यस सर.
Okay. How I can counteract it? मैं थोड़ा सा early injection दे देता हूँ. Agreed?
yes sir.
करेक्ट सर.
Okay. And for that, I can do the adjustment, that is individual rack adjustment. To 3 marks on rack. Okay. That is first. I can do that. Second is, now this is separately you have to do for all units.
yes sir.
ठीक है. Suppose करो, when you taken your performance and you found out in only one unit आपका drop हो रहा है. ठीक है, because of leakage or something. ठीक है, what you can do, single adjustment you can do. Agreed?
yes sir.
यस.
एक particular pump का single adjustment कर दो. ठीक है. But if I have to do it for all, then I have to do collective Pmax adjustment.
yes sir. upper fulcrum change कर.
Yes. And this collective Pmax adjustment is also known as FQS. हाँ, ठीक है, वो ऊपर वाला भी है, बट इसको भी कभी कभार कोई कोई सर्वेयर सिंपली इसको भी बोलते हैं. सो नॉर्मली टेल बोथ द थिंग्स. ठीक है.
yes
So can you explain the
So
second point again?
हाँ हाँ, लेट मी स्टार्ट ओनली ना. ठीक है. सो इफ यू हैव रिसीव्ड द बैक fuel quality, okay, then your ignition lag is increased. To counteract it, you have to do the advance of the timing, isn't it? How I can do advance of my timing? I can do it from this
control.
arrangement. Okay. Now here, what I can do is, normally I don't touch what do you say,
fulcrums.
fulcrums. Normally I will not touch the fulcrums. Okay. Inside this there will be one piston. On back there will be one spring. Okay. थोड़ा आगे बना देता हूँ. Inside this there will be one piston. On the back face you will be having spring, and then there will be a retainer type arrangement. Okay, which is screwed on the back face. Okay. So when this pin will come in, it will push my piston inside,
yes
and
sir.
then my air will go here, isn't it? Now, if I adjust the spring tension by this adjusting nut, adjusting bolt रहता है पीछे. ठीक है, back face पे if you see in this part, यहाँ पे actually नहीं दिया है लेकिन diagram में, but still I'll tell you how it looks like. So this part, can you see उन्होंने arrow बनाया हुआ है, right?
हाँ.
So this part, if I इसमें ना provision रहता है to put a spanner. Okay, and then you can move it clockwise or anti-clockwise, the back face. And if you move it clockwise and anti-clockwise, आप एक तरीके से pressure adjustment कर रहे हो,
Yes, sir.
okay, of the spring, right? And then if I increase it further inside, then my spring will be more compressed.
Yes,
Do you
sir.
agree? And if the spring is
Yes.
more compressed, then the pointer which is coming here, which is pushing this piston back, will take more force to push it back.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And with respect to that, I can change my timings.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So this way, by changing the position sensor point of contact, not point of contact, the spring setting, okay, spring adjustment, I can change the collective Pmax adjustment for all the units. ठीक है, all the units एक साथ ही रहेगा ना इसमें तो, okay, this is common. Agreed. So this way you can do it. Is it clear?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. इसमें पीछे मेरे को कहीं से मिलेगा डायग्राम, तो मैं दिखाऊंगा. पीछे ना एक ऐसे बना रहता है, ठीक है. इसमें you can put your spanner and all, and then you can move it either clockwise or anti-clockwise. With that, you will adjusting the spring tension inside your set position sensor, and because of the adjustment of the position sensor, now I can increase or decrease the amount of force that will be required to push my piston back, and
Yeah.
simultaneously your air pressure will be reduced or increased. Agreed?
Yes.
सर ये मैकेनिज्म का फोटोज है क्या आपके पास?
Which mechanism?
अभी जो आपने दिखाया उसका.
ये यार मैनुअल से ज्यादा क्या दिखाऊं, ये इसको इरेज कर दूं.
नहीं सर, रियल पिक्चर आपके पास है उसका?
Real picture I forgot to take. Okay,
Okay.
I forgot to take a real picture of this. Okay, but it looks similar like this. Maybe you might have observed it is near the governors and all. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. Maybe you might have
Yes,
seen,
sir.
but normally people forget to see it there. Okay, local platform पे आपके रहता है ये सब. ठीक है, on the local platform region. Okay, so this is regarding your VIT. I think now you understood about it.
Yes, sir.
In older
Yes.
times you can also adjust. यहाँ पे ना bolts were given to adjust complete sensor forward and back. Okay, पुराने engines में complete sensor position can be altered, but now they have given in newer engines that only by changing the spring tension from inside you can adjust the collective Tmax setting, and it is only allowed to be done by chief engineer. ठीक है. Okay, let me see in the manual itself if something else need to be. Electronic VIT. Okay, so that is it for your VIT. Any issues in this? Okay, the first class that we have done, mostly they will ask you question from that. Okay, this is little bit higher level as per your class 2 level it is. Okay, explanation for this, but I think it is understood to you, right? बहुत easy way में समझाया आपको. ठीक है, so can we move forward then to pump lead and all these things? बोलो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll go to your fuel pump lead. This is also important question regarding your orals are concerned. What is fuel pump lead?
So it's the distance from the piston of the plunger from beginning of injection till the end of till the unit reaches TDC.
Yes, good. So this is my barrel. Okay, this is my spill ports. This is my beginning of injection point.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is beginning of injection point. This is my initial step. Okay, then again the piston will be going up. ऊपर जाएगा. Agreed. Plunger
Yes.
will be going up. when it will reach to, when my main engine का piston TDC में पहुंचेगा, when main engine piston reaches TDC, that position of my plunger. For example, if I'm taking for number one unit, okay, so when number one piston is in TDC, what will be my position of my piston at this state, or plunger, sorry, okay, fuel pump plunger. So distance from here to here, this distance is known as lead.
Fuel pump lead.
Okay, fuel pump lead. So first is beginning of injection point, and second point is when my main engine piston of the concerned unit is at TDC. At that position, what will be my position of my plunger? That distance will be considered as fuel pump lead. Is it clear? So how you will define it? Number of mm by which top edge of the fuel pump plunger will lift over top edge of the spill port when main engine unit piston of that unit is in TDC. Is it clear?
Yes.
कितना वो ऊपर उठा बिगिनिंग ऑफ इंजेक्शन से व्हेन मेरा मेन इंजन unit piston is at TDC. Okay, so this distance is known as fuel pump lead. Is it clear? Hello guys, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now, if lead increases, then you have early injection. Agreed? If lead decreases, late injection. Okay. Now we'll see from the manual. So this is your fuel pump lead. Okay. Is it understood that definition part? Mostly they will ask
Yes,
you to
sir.
define it. Mostly they will ask you to define it.
Oh, if lead increases, then the
I'll come to this. Okay.
Hmm.
Don't worry.
early injection.
I'll come to this. Don't worry. Okay, Papi बता देते. How lead increases will lead to early injection. If this distance is more, okay, then this plunger will also be covering faster. Your beginning of injection will be coming faster only, na? So I'll come to this. ठीक है? Hold on, I'll come to this. पहले basics कर लेते हैं. Okay.
मतलब आप कह रहे हो जितना ज्यादा उसने ट्रैवल किया है उसका मतलब उतना जल्दी उसने स्टार्ट भी किया है.
See, understand one thing. Everything is happening because of your barrel. Okay. Barrel पे depend कर रहा है ना सब कुछ. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Plunger will move in its own time up and down, but barrel can come up and down also, isn't it? Isn't it here?
Yes.
Barrel भी जा सकता है
Yes.
ऊपर. Okay. So you have to think in that way. Okay. All right. You can see here number of the plunger is lifted from the bottom position when the main piston is at TDC. Okay, I have given you, this is cam lead actually, sorry. Guys, should I connect in my phone अगर आवाज कट रहा है तो?
Yes, sir.
हाँ?
For travel issue.
Actually This weather is very bad here. So am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So somebody can read it, this part. What is written?
Fuel
Fuel pump,
pump.
the
अच्छा मैं
distance in mm, the
मैं
top of the plunger lifts above the upper edge of the upper cut holes in the barrel when the relevant unit piston is at TDC.
okay. So
यही पढ़ना
whichever
है
you can, whichever you can remember, आप याद कर लो, ठीक है. I can say that this will be much more easier to remember, ठीक है, ठीक है. So now we are going to discuss how to find out the. I'm connecting back with Wi-Fi only, right? So am I audible, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first point is what? To find out beginning of injection. Agreed. How I can find
Yes,
beginning of injection? If somebody remember from generator class, how we found were finding out beginning
So
of injection?
there's
तो
a
light
light and
वाले
mirror
method.
method.
Yes, light method, right? So what I have to do? I have to shut my fuel oil for the particular unit. Agreed?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for all fuel pumps, there is a isolation valve.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Starting with yeah.
Okay, which is over here, right? This is the valve. Okay. So this valve I have to close, and then I have to drain the fuel pump. So drain के लिए
Yes,
on the
sir.
back side you have a valve, isn't it?
Hmm.
On other end side there is a valve situated this one. Okay. So this is for draining the fuel pump. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you will close the fuel oil inlet for that particular unit, and then you will drain the fuel pump. After draining, can I remove my erosion plugs?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will remove my erosion plugs. Can I make sure that my piston is at bottom by checking my
Yes, sir.
cam? By checking my cam, right?
Hmm.
So if I've removed my erosion plugs and I have drained my fuel pump and all, very important to say these steps, huh? To isolate the pump and drain the fuel pump. Okay.
Hmm.
Then if I put a torch light, can I see it from the other side?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then I will turn my engine. Okay. So when my piston or plunger, sorry, when will reach at this point, my light will stop coming, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And this is known as
Beginning of injection.
beginning of injection. अभी मेरे को क्या करना है? Main engine piston TDC पे लेके जाना है, and then I have to find out the distance. Agreed?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So in how we do it, that we're going to discuss. First point is understood. Beginning of injection point.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let me see if I have a better diagram. Okay. Now what I will do is there is a special tool given here. Okay. This is a special tool. So it has two legs which are fixed. ऐसे two legs रहेगा which is fixed, and there will be one leg in the center that can move up and down. Okay. So these are fixed legs. Okay, and on the bottom end you have some threads on this moving leg. So what I've done is I have removed your puncture valve.
Yes, sir.
Puncture valve is removed. Okay, your erosion plugs have been removed. Okay, puncture valve has been removed, fuel pump is drained, and all those things we have already done. Okay, now I can put this tool inside it. So यहाँ पे on the head you will be having plug. Two plugs will be given here. Okay, so you have to remove these two plugs in order to put this tool inside, because I have to make sure my liner position also. Agreed? Beginning of injection can change because of the liner position.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can see here these two fixed legs are going and resting where? On my
Liner.
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 Not liner, sorry, barrel. Yeah,
Yes, sir. Barrel.
barrel. Okay, it is resting on the barrel. Okay, now also you have to make sure while checking your fuel pump lead, you should check what is the last readings that has been taken, and we will note down at what position of my VIT rack.
VIT rack.
Suppose the previous second engineer has taken the reading at, I told you can adjust it to 3 rack position.
Yes,
Agreed?
sir.
Okay,
Yes.
suppose somebody has done it. That means uska after he has taken the reading, somebody else, दूसरा second engineer आया, he has done the setting, VIT adjustment he has done, FQS setting, and because of it, now if you take lead, it will come different, entirely
Yes, sir.
different from the previous reading. That is why we have to check this. Very important step is to check previous reading. What is the VIT rack setting there? Suppose it is 0, then well and good. Suppose it is 2 VIT rack setting when they have taken it, then you have to manually push the VIT rack inside to make it till 2 notches. Is it clear? Because
Yes.
उसके
Yes.
comparison में आप देखोगे how much it has increased or decreased. Is it clear? On the previous reading के हिसाब से देखते हैं. Otherwise, in your shop trial test reports, it will be taken at 0 VIT rack. You can make it 0. वहां से correspondingly आप check कर सकते हो. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
हाँ सर.
Okay, all right. So you will make sure the VIT rack setting is 0, or either whichever reading has been taken previously at that VIT rack setting head should be done. And now you will put this tool with fixed leg and moving legs inside your fuel pump, and this moving leg is going to be get screwed on top of your plunger के ऊपर होल रहता है. ठीक है, there is a hole with threads. Okay, so it will be threaded on top of your plunger. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so first of all, when you move this plunger up, as soon as it will cover the spill ports, what position it will be? Beginning of injection. Okay, for example, this part was like this. Okay, this part, ये जो part है एक ही है. ठीक है, so at when it was in bottom, it was touching here. Now you pushed it up. When you turn your engine, your plunger starts to move up. Okay, when your plunger starts to move up, this will also go up.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now suppose this is my beginning of injection point.
Yes.
I can take this distance in mm.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what I will do, second step क्या था?
TDC तक लेके जाना सर.
Concerned unit main engine piston should be at TDC. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
So now I will turn my engine, I will check my flywheel reading, and I will bring that unit to TDC. So when I will move it to TDC, this moving leg will also go up or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
it will move till here.
Yes, sir.
Can you take this distance also?
Yes.
So if this is X and this is Y, X minus Y will give me lead.
Lead.
Yes, sir.
Is it understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What are the key points here? First of all, check what is my VIT rack setting at stop condition, and check previous reading कितने पे लिया है. Then at that particular setting only you have to take. Otherwise, take the setting which has been given from the shop trial test report. Okay, but mostly we will take previous reading किस पे लिए उसी के हिसाब से करेंगे, ज्यादा एडजस्टमेंट नहीं करेंगे. ठीक है, प्रीवियस रीडिंग जिस पे भी लिए उसी रीडिंग पे वीआईटी रैक के पोजीशन पे यू हैव टू टेक द रीडिंग, and then only you can compare na how much it has increased or decreased. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and then you will put this special tool. First of all, remove your puncture wall, remove the plugs. Okay, put the tool inside, screw it on your plunger. Okay, screw it on your plunger, and then first point is beginning of injection. You all know how to find beginning of injection, and the second point is make the unit to the TDC, and then you'll get two values, and then you subtract these two values to get the lead. Is it clear?
Mm.
Any
Yes, sir.
doubts? Any doubts? See, this is the tool, huh? And can you see it is going, puncture valve is not there right now, right? It is
Yes,
removed.
sir.
And these, there will be two plugs over here, huh? You have to remove these two plugs and then only you can put this tool. Okay, the fixed leg will always be touching your barrel. Okay, and the moving leg will be screwed on top of your plunger. Okay, now what is cam lead? There's two things, fuel pump lead and fuel cam
The
lead.
cam lead.
Okay, now cam lead is फर्स्ट पोजीशन, उसमें दो पोजीशन था, बिगिनिंग ऑफ इंजेक्शन एंड मेन पिस्टन एट टीडीसी. यहाँ पे क्या है, लोअर लोएस्ट मोस्ट पोजीशन ऑफ माय प्लंजर, दैट मींस ऑफ फ्यूल पंप.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And second, what you have to take, main piston is at TDC. Then you have to turn and brought the piston to TDC. Bring the piston to TDC. So first position will be, can I erase this, all these things?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So first of all, I need to find out what is my bottommost position of my cam, isn't it? उसी से पता चलेगा.
हाँ sir.
Okay, so how can I find out my cam bottommost position?
Camshaft से देखेंगे खोल के.
Camshaft से आप देख लोगे, obviously camshaft से you can see it. Okay, but it is not accurate ना 100%. थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे
Yes,
हो
sir.
सकता है, right?
Mm.
So इस पे और भी क्वेश्चंस बनते हैं यार. पिस्टन का TDC, if it is not given in flywheel, how will you find out piston TDC? How will you find out piston TDC if the TDC is not given in your flywheel और मिट गया है और कुछ हो गया है तो? ऐसे ऐसे क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं, राइट?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how will you find out?
So
For
whenever the
example,
TDC,
for example, he
Cam-
asked you for example, I'll give you two things. He asked you for generator. How will you find out generator TDC if the flywheel marking is not there present?
whenever the push rod was free to move,
Push rod will be free to move the complete cycle when the piston, your TDC will be there. Exact TDC कहाँ मिलेगा आपको, कैसे पता चलेगा?
by seeing the fuel pump, markings will be there whenever the plunger is above, like by putting of light. When the
No,
plunger is moving above the BOI points, like in fuel pump.
no. Now understand, आपको TDC find out करना है. So in your generator, you have fuel injector over here.
Put it early.
Injector है?
हाँ sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I will remove the injector. Okay, isolation and all those things are obviously important. You have isolated, and this is my liner.
Mm.
This is my piston. If I remove my plunger, can I see through it?
Yes sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Can I put a rod inside?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now if I move it up,
Mm.
okay, suppose I will take it over here and I will mark one with paint marker. I will mark one mark here. Okay. Now I will turn my engine so that it will come to TDC.
Mm.
Okay, it will come to TDC. So this rod will be also going up.
Yes sir.
Okay, at this position, when I've marked this na, at this position I will also note down the flywheel reading. ठीक है, suppose ये TDC point है, ठीक है, यहाँ पे मैंने marking किया first when it was here. Okay, now I brought it to TDC, then I will again turn it until it comes down. Piston back to this position. When my rod in back to this position, so somewhere here it will come.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Whatever reading I can take an average value of it. Will it give me exact TDC?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to understand what did I say?
Yes.
तो मतलब रॉड पहले ऊपर लिफ्ट होगा, उसके बाद इससे टीडीसी
वापस
आ
नीचे।
गया, उसके बाद नीचे चला जाएगा ना, नीचे
हाँ,
चालू हो
वापस
जाएगा।
नीचे आएगा ना, after TDC will again
हाँ।
piston will come down, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So can I take this complete distance and if I divide it by half, can I get exact TDC?
Yes, sir.
The initial
sir.
point and end point I have kept same. Agreed?
Yes.
So if I take half of this length, can I get exact TDC?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. In main engine, suppose now in main engine में क्या करोगे? Main engine में तो center में you have exhaust valve. So you can do it by checking the crosshead. Crosshead में guides रहता है.
हाँ.
This is my, so crosshead will be moving up and down, right?
Okay.
Okay. So at one point I will take one marking on the track, okay, and then I will move my piston to TDC. So it will also move up na crosshead.
हाँ.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, when I've done this marking, I will also do the marking in my flywheel.
Right.
Now I will make it to TDC. Then I will bring it back to same position. So somewhere here. Again, can I take the average value of it?
Between those.
Yes, sir.
So I can get the TDC. Okay. Similarly, same concept can I use here to find bottommost position, BDC.
Yes, sir.
With this instrument itself, can I find my BDC point or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Similar principle पे, right? So I have found my BDC. ठीक है. Normally surveyor will not ask you this. इसमें तो नहीं पूछेंगे ये concept. Normally वो main engine में पूछ लेते हैं, उसी engine में, ठीक है? If TDC is not there. But you understood the concept behind it, right?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. All right. So I have found my
इस
BDC.
केस में BDC in the sense the plunger is at the bottommost point.
BDC means the इस plunger का BDC, right?
Plunger is at the bottommost point. Yes. Okay.
Yes. ठीक है. That means cam will be like this. So roller will be somewhere here, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that point, I will, whatever position it will be, can I take the distance?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Suppose X. Okay. Now second point क्या था? Concerned unit at
TDC.
TDC. Main engine piston at TDC. So I will move
sir.
the flywheel, make the main engine unit at TDC, and it will go up again. Can I take one more reading? Y.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
your Y minus X will give you
Cam lead.
cam lead.
Cam lead.
If you see here, the first position is lowermost position of my pump plunger. That will be completely BDC. Agreed? Okay. Then second is main engine unit piston is at TDC.
TDC.
Okay. क्या लिखोगे? The lead C of the fuel cam is defined as number of mm the plunger is lifted from its bottommost position. Okay. When the main piston is at TDC. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rest
सर
is
एक मिनट
everything.
लिख लेते हैं सर, एक बार
हाँ,
लिख लेते हैं.
लिखो. Normally cam lead they are not asking, class 2 में पूछते हैं, but fuel pump lead they are asking. ठीक है. So fuel pump lead when it will change. अगर कैम रोटेट हो गया आपका अपनी पोजीशन से, कैन माय फ्यूल पंप लीड कैन चेंज? If cam has been slightly rotated from my camshaft, will it change my lead?
हाँ सर.
Yes, sir.
And if it will change, also it will affect my fuel pump lead also.
हाँ सर.
Okay, that is why whenever you are taking fuel pump lead, you also take cam lead. Okay, to check whether my cam has rotated or it is just because of the wearing out of the parts, right?
Yes, sir.
Let me know when you're done. Huh? Take a screenshot otherwise.
Done, sir.
Okay.
तो मतलब सर कैम और रोलर के बीच में भी अगर वेयर हो रहा है
Hmm.
दैट इज आल्सो
No,
अफेक्टिंग माय
that is also affecting ना.
हाँ
ठीक है. Now normally there is अभी मेरे को नाम याद नहीं आ रहा, एक पंच मार्क भी रहता है, and there is a tool provided. ठीक है. This will be on your camshaft casing की body पे. There will be one punch. Have you seen the trammel gauge? अपना on your steering gear rudder.
रडर ड्रॉप
हाँ, रडर ड्रॉप के लिए ट्रैमल गेज देखा ना, इसको बोलते हैं पिन गेज. ओके. It is used to check if your cam is has been rotated from its point or not. ठीक है. So in some engines it is given. ठीक है. One pointer will be on the cam, okay, and one pointer on the body. Okay, you have to bring it to piston to TDC and then check at that point if this pin gauge is going exactly in these pointers. If it is not, that means your cam has rotated. Is it clear?
नहीं सर
Suppose this is my camshaft
यस सर
and this is my cam. Okay.
ओके
And you will be having the body also ना बाहर, ऐसा तो है नहीं, केसिंग के अंदर है ना
Yes, sir.
camshaft
Yes, sir.
complete. Okay.
हाँ सर
So there will be one point here. There will be one point on my cam also. Okay. And pin gauge will be given to you. Now pin gauge is like a trammel gauge. You cannot change it ना setting. जितना
हाँ हाँ
length का है उतना ही रहेगा, right? So
ओके
if my cam has been rotated, suppose it this reading has been given, has to be taken when piston is at TDC. So you will make the unit to TDC. Now you will use this pin gauge to check, align if the my pin gauge is exactly getting into these points. If it is not going, that means my cam has been rotated from its point.
यस सर यस
With respect to the camshaft, my
दिस
cam
इज
has
टू द
been
कैम
rotated
शॉट
slightly, right?
यस सर
So this is also given in some engines, pin gauge. Okay. Otherwise, you can obviously check by cam lead, right?
यस
Now, in supposed if the lead is not proper, what are you going to do? Then you have to correct it also, right? Okay. So what you're going to do is on your cam. ठीक है. देखो ये सब लिखने का जरूरत नहीं है, विच एवर इट इज रिटन ओवर हियर, जस्ट समझो और अपने लैंग्वेज पे उसको बाद में लिख लेना. ठीक है. On your cam, what are you going to do? There will be two plugs provided. You have to remove these two plugs. Okay. And then you have to use the connector. So you can see the connectors in this diagram. दिख रहा है?
हाँ सर
ठीक है. These will be like this. आपने देखे होंगे, बहुत सारे देखे होंगे ये तो connectors. ठीक है. थ्रेड्स रहेगा यहाँ पे. ठीक है. यहाँ पे आपका हाई प्रेशर होस कैन कनेक्ट. ठीक है. So these connectors are going to go inside here, and then you can connect it with high pressure hose. Okay, to hydraulic pump. Okay, so these are shrink fit, right? Cams.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
यस सर
So if I start increasing hydraulic pressure, so it will go inside. So ये between my camshaft and my cam के बीच में आ जाएगा
Yes, sir.
hydraulic coil. So what will happen? There will be certain play रहेगा.
Yes, sir.
हाँ सर
Okay, I will use a F-shaped spanner now. Can you see a point given over here? There will be
हाँ
one more
Yes,
point
sir.
on the other end. Okay, there will be F-shaped spanner, and you can hit it with a hammer to move the. You can see here. This is a spanner, special spanner. Okay, this is a special spanner only for this purpose. I can either move it up, or I can either move it down. So when I move it up or down, I can change the my lead.
Yes, sir.
To that, write down these 2 points. To increase lead, P max, that means increase P max करना है आपको. Then you have to turn the cam in ahead direction. Okay. And to reduce the lead or cam P max, then you have to do it in S turn direction. And after you have done it, you will again check lead. आप दोबारा से लीड चेक करोगे एंड यू विल चेक विद योर सॉफ्टवेयर टेस्ट रिपोर्ट्स दैट इफ इट इज प्रॉपर or not. Is this understood now? What is fuel pump lead? What is cam lead? And how to adjust your fuel pump lead?
So this is only in situation मतलब relative to the camshaft आपका cam घूम गया. In
Yes.
that case
So
ये करना.
कैम घूम जाएगा तो आपका रोलर का पॉइंटर भी घूम जाएगा ना. यहाँ
हाँ.
पे मान लो पहले यहाँ पे था, अभी यहाँ पे आ गया तो चेंज हो गया ना लीड.
हाँ सर.
Yeah. So you can adjust this lead, but you should know how to adjust. So normally वो आपसे इतना ही पूछेंगे what is lead, ठीक है? And you should know the definition, how to adjust it. You should know that on my cam I have these plugs given. I have to remove these two plugs, okay, and I have to put the connectors, and then with hydraulic pump I can uh, you know uh, expand my cam little bit, and then with the F shape spanner I can turn my cam either to head position or astern position, and with that my lead or my Pmax is increasing or decreasing or getting adjusted. पूरा लिखने का जरूरत नहीं है, जितना बोला अभी उतना ही बहुत है, ठीक है.
Yes.
See now sometimes these surveyors are asking in class 2, I know class 2 they are asking this, ठीक है. What is the name of the special tool, ठीक है. Now I have searched it, कहीं मिला नहीं, but it is kind of an bridge gauge.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
उसी के जैसा है ना, उसमें भी ऐसे रहता है, दो फिक्स्ड रहता है, एक मूविंग रहता है, ठीक है. सो जस्ट आई एम टेलिंग यू कि अगर ऐसा कुछ पूछा जाता है तो ब्रिज गेज बोल देना, ठीक है सर. इट इज काइंड ऑफ एन ब्रिज गेज, ये मत बोलना ब्रिज गेज, बोलना इट इज अ सॉर्ट ऑफ ब्रिज गेज, बट इन द मैनुअल आई चेक इज ओनली रिटन स्पेशल टूल एंड नेम लाइक दिस, ठीक है. इफ आई फाइंड इट आई विल लेट यू नो, ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
इन क्लास 2 दे आर आस्किंग, नाम बताओ मुझे उस टूल का, ठीक है. मेरे दोस्त से पूछा था एक्चुअली. तो so is it understood? Fuel pump lead, cam lead, VIT,
Yes sir.
how to adjust VIT, what is FQS? Is it understood?
Yes, sir.